Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a fillable worksheet for free. And it's super easy to do. There's no special tools required. So first, here's a look at a worksheet that I created in Canva. All I did was, add the text and use a shape for the text box, just to give it, a little bit of structure. And that's it. So that's my worksheet. And once I had that created, I downloaded it as a PDF, PDF print, and I downloaded it. Next, you want to go to pdfescape.com, which is this site right here. And this will allow you to create a fillable form from that PDF. Because as it stands, your PDF that you just export from Canva, you can't actually enter any text into it. It's just, rectangles of color. That's it. So we want to make it editable. So that's where PDF Escape comes in. So go to pdfescape.com and drag and drop your PDF onto the homepage here, or you can select Choose File. It takes a little bit of time to upload depending on the size of your file. So I already have mine uploaded right here. And so now, once it's uploaded into PDF Escape, what you'll want to do is click on Form Field and select text or text paragraph. Let's select text paragraph because it's a bigger text field. And then click Select. And then now what you'll want to do is just drag to create fillable fields. So we have the squares, or rectangles rather, as our guides. So I'm just going to drag and drop a rectangle rather, keep calling them squares, on top of the colored rectangle. And so that's one field done. And then we just do that for each and every field. Now it's kind of hard to see, but I like to leave a little bit of a gap. I don't like to go edge to edge. So I'll just go in a little bit and just leave a little bit of a border of the rectangle around that text field. And that's just so that text doesn't go directly on the edge of the box. It gives it a little bit of breathing room. And this doesn't have to be perfect. So just drag and drop for each of your rectangles. And it'll all be green when you're done. And side note, this form is just text fields. But you can also, if you saw when I selected form field, you had the option to do checkbox, radio, drop down, etc. So you have all these other options too that you can play around with. But in this case, we're just doing the text paragraph field. And so now that I have all these rectangles filled out, we can click here on this little green button, Save and Download PDF. So let's click that, and that will save my fillable form to my desktop. So let's take a look at that. Might take a second to open because my computer is a little bit slow, but here it is. Okay, so this is my PDF that's fillable. It looks identical to how I exported it. You wouldn't know that it's a fillable worksheet unless you click on it, and you'll see that I can type in these fields. So yeah, paste some text in there. And there you go. So you can easily take a letter document from Canva and make it into a fillable PDF very quickly and very easily. And this just gives you a lot of options for your lead magnets, because instead of having someone print it out or require them to print it out in order to fill it out, now they can either print it out to fill it out, or they can fill it directly on their computer and save it, and save all their answers. And that's pretty much it.